What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for the best cast iron skillet going, this one here is the Lodge 10.5-inch cast iron skillet. Now it weighs about 6 pounds, so it is mighty heavy for holding in one hand, but the way it cooks food and the things that you can do in this wonderful little pan, there are no words. Cast iron is such great cookware for heat retention. Even after you have shut the heat off under the pan, this metal is going to hold the heat and continue to cook your food and keep it warm. As well, because of the way that these griddles conduct heat, your food is never going to be cooked on a more even cook surface than this one. Skillets like these are multifunctional because you can put them from the stovetop to the oven without any hitch in between. Use them on your stove, put them in your oven, cook over a campfire, put them on your barbecue. You've got so many options with your Lodge cast iron skillet. The other really great thing is that this comes to you ready to use. They're pre-seasoned, which means you don't have to go through an awkward seasoning process. All you have to do is pull it out of the box, cook with it, and then treat it with love afterwards. And what do I mean by that? Well, you do have to oil all surfaces of your cast iron when you're done cooking. So if you have cooked something in here and you have a little bit of something built up, take a stiff bristled brush and a little bit of warm water and scrub that built up residue off. After you've done that, a light layer of cooking oil rubbed all over the entire pan, top, bottom, handles, inside and out, is how you're going to keep the seasoning intact on your pan. After you have oiled it, let it sit for a day, let all of the oils soak in. You do want to treat your pan while it's still warm. So cook with it, wash it while it's still warm, season it, add the oil, let it rest for about 24 hours. And then when you go to use it again, if it is just the next day, you might want to give it a little wipe off on the surface because it will continue on with the seasoning while it gathers heat to get to the temperature that you want for cooking. These Lodge cast iron skillets are timeless, they are durable, and they are some of the nicest cook surfaces that you will ever use to sear, sauté, broil, grill, or bake. And if you are looking for the next skillet to add to your collection, this Lodge 10.5-inch cast iron skillet is definitely a family favorite at my house.